All right, if you're a local marketing consultant, I bet you know this struggle. You've got the skills, you know you can help businesses, but man, just getting your foot in the door, it feels impossible sometimes, right? Well, today we're going to look at a tool, a strategy really, called Local Toolkit Fortune. And it's all about flipping that script, turning you from just another salesperson into someone they can't ignore. Let's dive in and see how it works. So let's get right to the heart of the problem, shall we? It really all boils down to one word: trust. I mean, you could be the absolute best marketer in your city, but if a local business owner just sees you as another sales pitch, your skills don't even matter. The real battle isn't about marketing. It's about breaking through that massive wall of skepticism they've built up. I mean, does this sound familiar? You craft that perfect email, you make the calls, you know you can get them results. And what do you get back? Crickets. Just silence. It is so frustrating. But here's the thought. What if the problem isn't what you're saying, but how you're saying it? And listen, this is so important. It's not your fault. Seriously. Just think about it from their perspective. A busy business owner is juggling inventory, employees, customers, a million things. So when you come along with your pitch for SEO or social media or a new website, it all just sounds like the same old noise. You're getting tuned out before you even have a chance. Okay, so this is where the whole idea behind Local Toolkit Fortune gets really, really interesting. It's a total shift in strategy. You stop pitching. You stop selling services. Instead, you start providing value right from the get-go. You stop asking for their attention and you start earning it. Let's dig into how that actually plays out. Yeah, this really sums it up perfectly, doesn't it? The old way, it's just this constant, exhausting uphill battle. But this new way, you're just offering a platform. You're handing them something genuinely useful. You're not a salesperson anymore. You're a problem solver. And this is what it looks like in practice. Local Toolkit Fortune gives you a professional, pre-built website. But it's not just a website. It's packed with a bunch of handy digital tools. So don't think of it as just a brochure. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife for a local business owner, something they'll actually want to use. You see the difference? Instead of asking for their attention, you earn it. You're giving them something valuable right away. And that changes everything. Trust is built automatically. You're not that pushy salesperson anymore. You're the helpful expert. And that totally transforms every conversation you have from that point on. All right, so how does this thing actually work? Let's get into the nitty-gritty and see what's really inside this toolkit. Okay, the setup is surprisingly simple. You literally just install the site on WordPress, which takes just a few minutes. Then you connect your PayPal or Stripe, and you're pretty much ready to roll. The last step, just start promoting the free tools to local businesses. The big takeaway here is no coding, no crazy tech headaches. It's designed to be easy. So the first thing you get is a bunch of free tools. And these are your secret weapon, your icebreaker. They're designed to solve those little annoying problems that business owners have. You know, like a Wi-Fi card generator for a cafe or a coupon image generator for a local shop. It's instant, real value that they can use right then and there. Now this is the really smart part. Once people start using your free tools, the platform has a built-in way for you to make money. It also has premium tools, things that solve bigger problems, like an ad strategy consultant or a lead value calculator. So when a business is ready to grow, the upgrade path is right there. It's a totally natural upsell. Okay, let's be real for a second. No tool is perfect for absolutely everyone. So let's talk about who this is really for and maybe who should sit this one out. So this is absolutely for you if you're just done with cold pitching. If you want to be seen as the go-to resource in your town, this is your ticket. Or, hey, maybe you already offer services, but you just need a better way in. This is the perfect foot in the door. Now, who should skip this? Well, if you're looking for a massive all-in-one marketing platform like HubSpot, this isn't it. And if you hate the idea of using WordPress at all, then you might want to pass. All right, let's talk about the price. Because this is a special launch offer, it's pretty important to see what you're actually getting for your money. Right now, during the launch, the price for the whole thing is just $27. And get this, that's a one-time payment. No monthly fees, no subscriptions. But it is a limited time thing, so that price won't last forever. And on top of that, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can literally try it out, see if it works for you, and if not, no harm, no foul. It's completely risk-free. So just to be super clear about what you're getting here, this isn't just some theme or a simple plugin. You're getting a complete, ready-to-go business asset, a whole system designed to get you clients by leading with value.
And as part of the launch special, they're throwing in some pretty cool bonuses. You get a promotional video template you can customize and a whole set of outreach emails, so you're not starting from scratch when you go to tell people about your new toolkit.
Okay, so it really comes down to this. We're at a decision point. You've got two paths you can take. And this really lays it all out, doesn't it? You can keep doing things the hard way, struggling, chasing leads, trying to get people to just listen to you. Or you can become that go-to resource, the one businesses actually trust and come to for help. It's a pretty clear choice. Look, at the end of the day, it all comes down to your strategy. This isn't some magic button that's going to solve all your problems, but it is a really, really smart approach. If you believe that leading with value is the best way to win clients, then Local Toolkit Fortune gives you the perfect system to do just that. So if you think this is the right fit for your business, you can grab the special launch deal using the link right down there in the description.